Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your PDF file. Most of the time when you are going to edit your PDF file, it is very hurdle to understand that you cannot edit that without using some sort of the software. For example, I have my that CV, and if I'm going to like edit that one, I can easily edit with this software. And that is how I'm going to do it. For example, if I'm going to make it zoom in, and there, for example, if I need to edit that name, then we have here edit, and then we are going to click on a specific like text which we are going to edit, and we have a plenty of the option. Like for example, if you are going to highlight the one, or you make it bold, italic, and anything, and you can do that one as well. You can edit like simple editing software, which you have a lot of the text editing option here. Now what I'm going to do, for example, if we are going to insert an image here, and I'm going to insert image, for example, on here, maybe some sort of the logo here, and I'm going to make it capital, and let me just change that one. And how easily you can just crop the logo. For example, if you need to crop that one, you can also crop the edited version of that one. And if now I'm going to just decrease the size of my that PDF, and here we are going to insert that one, some sort of like option we have here. Okay, now that is how beautifully you can just change that one and edit that one. And how about if I'm going to like change my that image, then you are going to, once again, I'm going to just delete that one. Okay, now we are just going to make one new image portion, for example, like this one, and I'm going to add a logo here instead of the image, and we are going to add logo, and I'm going to increase the size of that logo, maybe like this one, and we are going to just adjust the proportion. Maybe if we are going to maximize the size, or if you don't need to like exactly see the proportion, then you can also do that one as well. Maybe I can do that one. Okay, and then now adjusting the size so easily and so comfortably, you can just adjust everything. Now one thing which I like in this software, and also I'm going to show you what is the name of software. It is UPDF.com, and here you can also download that for free, and you can just see, you have many different options here, and once you are going to download, then you can try that one, and you can also see like the pricing option if further you need to just see different other option, like you have the AI feature, and also you have chat with up to 100 PDF simultaneously online. There are a lot of the option, and per year I think it is 15 bucks, and that is quite cheap, which you can entire year you can use that for $40 per year. Okay, now the thing which I'm going to tell you, it is like if you are going to come in, see, we have AI edit, and here you have like proofread, polish, expand, shorten, and AI tune like professional, casual, and a lot of different option you have for the text. For example, if I'm going to click on proofread, and also I'm going to add that one, and you can see that there may be some sort of the spelling mistake or grammar mistake they can find for you. And if you see that recognize the projects, and it is saying that it should be projects, not the project, and needs, and there is that need to be done. And for example, if you need that one, then you can just check that it has everything here. And now replace the text. For example, you have replaced the text and it is done. And that is how beautifully you can integrate everything. For example, if I need to change the text or add any other text, you can also add that one. For example, here I'm going to change that, and now close, maybe edit, and we are going to change React could be with Node.js. I don't know if I have Node.js. And one thing you are noticing that italic is on. I'm going to just remove the italic, but yeah, Node. I don't know why it is not working, but it should work now. Okay, now see the font it is suggesting, it is nearly the same font, and here it is also italic. If I'm going to remove the italic, and we are going to see that it is now normal text. And how easily you can do that one. One more thing, for example, if I'm going to close that one, and we have a lot of tools and AI options. For example, you have convert PDF to Word format and compress the file to low quality and set a password and play with the slideshow. And now I'm going to, it is PDF, we are going to convert that to Word document, and it is like Word document, and the style, retain the word flowing style, everything we can see that then. And now ignore the text and image layout, maybe everything else is correct, and page 1, and we are going to apply that. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, we have already front-end development. I will say that word and doc. Okay, save. I have saved it in the download folder, and it is like converting right now, and we will check in a few moments that it will convert everything for you. Okay, it has already converted that one, and you can see that I have the Word, and we are going to open that in Word, and you can check now it is Word option. And for now we are going to close that. Because of saying or providing information that you can do whatever you want here with the tool. You can also compress. For example, if we are going to check now if the compress will work, it is like 77 KB, 744 KB. It is already compressed, but we can check that if we do it. Now I'm going to click on tool in that AI option, and I'm going to compress the file to low quality, and then now save it. And I will also say that it is compressed. If you have like big PDF file, then it will convert everything for you exactly the same way which you have done that one. Now let me just see that is compressed. That is already 3. It is half, like 334, and the first one is like 744. Now you see, if I'm going to open, for example, that PDF, and we are going to check the quality, if the quality is like okay or not okay, then that is the quality, okay, which I have edited already. Now see, I think everything is working fine. Now you can see that everything is working fine. If I'm going to change that, I cannot change that one in the PDF itself, but we are going to change that in the UPDF, which I have done that one. Okay, the thing which is great and I like the most is like the AI feature here, which you can do different option, which I already showed in my YouTube channel, that how you are going to convert that to Word format, and how you are going to convert that to it should be like not low quality, but maybe compressed file. And you can also set the password. If you are going to set a password, for example, document open or permission password, you can also do that one. Okay, for example, I'm going to add for document open, I'm going to give that password, and we are going to save that one, and I will just say password, and we are going to like check different option here. Now see, it is like saying give me the password to open that one, And for example, if I'm going to give wrong password and unlock, and it is saying the password is incorrect, and if I'm going to like press the right answer and unlock, and it will unlock your PDF password. I hope you liked that video, and if you think you need that one, then you have to come in the updf.com and you can just try that for free. And also if you like that one, and also see the pricing option here. And if you have any question, just write that in comment box below, and I will also give the link of that website in the description of that video where you can download that easily. And if you have any problem, just write that in comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone, have a nice day, goodbye.